In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with any kind of repair and maintenance expenses in Odoo. As of 6 January, the transaction says paint and renovation expenses for shop taken on rent. Let's say that the premises that we acquired, the owner agreed for some of the adjustments, but not for the paint and renovation, or maybe we want a renovation in our style. So we are paying for these expenses and it should be charged under indirect expenses. The amount is of $1,500. So let's pass a journal entry here. Click on the new journal entries. In reference, just copy and paste the narration. Date of transaction is 6th of January. Add a line. And it is repair and maintenance expenses. Just write repair here. But as we can see, there's nothing like it. Click on search more. Sort it by type. And let's search for the relevant expense account if we have one. So we don't have the repair and maintenance account. We will see what ledger can we post it in. So let's say that after rent 612, 611. So we have 613 as free. So click on new. 613,000. But you will notice that as we press tab, it shows the tags under investing in extraordinary activities. If you want to change the tag by yourself for operating activities, just for the cash flow statement purposes, you can change it manually here. The company is Light Traders, all okay. Just we have to mention the name of the ledger, which is repair and maintenance expenses. Click save. Under the label, I'll just copy this, paste it in the label. The amount is 1,500 as debit. And on the credit, we have cash in hand. Paste it in the label. And the entry is all done. Make sure the date and everything is okay. And after that, just click on post the entry and make sure it appears under the accounting and journal entries. So here it is. Status is posted. And this is how you can deal with the repair and maintenance expenses in Odoo. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.